In this lesson, we're going to continue evaluating expressions using the order of operations. The only difference is these expressions we look at today are more complicated, so you're going to have to really be careful with how you work with them. So let's review the do now real quickly and the homework answers, and then we will get started. So in the do now, these two problems are pretty similar, and they got down to the same place here and here, but Jesse worked from left to right like you are supposed to do, and Taylor did not, and Taylor got the wrong answer. So 18 is the correct work here. All right, let's take a quick look at the homework next. And make sure that you match these answers, and if not, try to figure out where you went wrong. The last one in particular, I think, has caused some problems where you need to do the exponent first, of course, but then you have to do 40 divided by that answer, which is 8, and then subtract 3 first. So, again, make sure that you're okay with all of those, and we will start to practice. All right, so we're going to start off gently with this page, and I want you to pause the video and work on these problems and come back and check your answers. All right, check out these answers, and I've shown most of the work, and if you didn't get the same answers as I did, see if you can figure out where you may have gone wrong. All right, after you do that, you can turn to the next page, please. All right, these problems are a little bit longer, and you can use the calculator on some of these pieces, like some of the higher exponents, but you should avoid using it if at all possible. So go ahead and pause the video, work on these, and then come back and check your answers. All right, check out your answers. You got some big numbers here, lots of little places to make some mistakes, so check your answers, check your work, and once you've done that, you can move on to the next page, please. All right, let's keep it going. Please pause the video and work on these problems, and come back and check your answers. All right, check out these answers. There are a couple of interesting pieces here, I think, like when you're taking a 1 to any power, the answer is always going to be 1, because that's 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, and that, of course, ends up just being 1. This one's a little bit tricky as well, because you have a 0 involved, but 8 times 0 is 0. 0 divided by 9 is 0, so the final answer is 0. All right, so check those answers, and if you got any of them wrong, see if you can figure out where you went wrong, and then go ahead and turn to the next page. All right, here are some more problems. Work on these problems first, and then when you finish those, work on the sideways problems, and these are kind of interesting, where you have to figure out where the numbers go, thinking in mind, keeping the order of operations as they're supposed to be, so that you get a particular answer. So they're a little bit different. They're kind of fun. So go ahead and pause the video and work on these problems, and then come back and check your answers. All right, if you get these done, go ahead and check your answers and see if you can figure out where you went wrong, if you did get any wrong, and if you finish all of this, then you can go on to the homework, but we have an extra card coming up, so you can start the homework and wait until everybody else catches up to do the extra card. So if you have any questions, let me know.